Abductee. An abductee is a person who has been taken away by force, someone who has been kidnapped or captured without permission. The police rescued the abductee safely. The abductee was missing for 2 days. The news reporter shared the story of an abductee who had been taken from her hometown and returned after a week. The hero in the movie saved the abductee from the villain's secret hideout. Victim, a person who suffers from a bad act. Hostage, someone taken and held to force others to do something. Captive, a person who is kept somewhere and not allowed to leave. Other similar words: prisoner, kidnapped person, taken one. Rescuer, someone who saves another person. Hero, a brave person who helps others. Protector, someone who keeps others safe. Other opposite words: saver, defender, guardian.